Everything we thought we knew about the birth of our universe has just been proven wrong. The James Webb Telescope just spotted JADES, JWST 14-0, a massive, glowing galaxy that physically cannot exist according to our laws of physics. It is too bright, too mature, and far too complex for the cosmic dawn. In the vast darkness of space, astronomers sometimes receive signals that seem almost impossible. One of those signals came from a galaxy with a complicated name, JADES, JWST 14-0. This galaxy shocked the scientific world. Using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers were observing a deep region of the universe, searching for some of the earliest galaxies ever formed. Their goal was to look back in time closer and closer to the moment of the Big Bang, when the universe first began. Then they saw it. A bright signal, far brighter than expected. At first, scientists didn't believe it. The object appeared to exist only 290 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the universe was still extremely young. According to current models of cosmic evolution, galaxies at this stage should have been small, dim, and still forming. But this one was different. It was large, bright, and surprisingly mature. Because of this, researchers initially assumed something had gone wrong. Maybe the telescope sensors had produced an error. Perhaps the light was coming from a much closer galaxy that was simply masquerading as something distant. Astronomers carefully checked the data again and again, but every test led to the same astonishing conclusion. The signal was real. The light detected by the James Webb Space Telescope had been traveling through space for more than 13.5 billion years, crossing nearly the entire history of the universe before finally reaching Earth. And that meant something extraordinary. This galaxy existed far earlier than scientists believed galaxies should exist. In a single discovery, JADES JWST 14-0 shattered our expectations about how quickly the first structures in the universe formed. The early universe, it seemed, was not as simple as we once thought. And this impossible signal was only the beginning of the mystery. When scientists analyzed the light from JADES JWST 14-0, they expected something very simple. Galaxies that formed only a few hundred million years after the Big Bang should mostly contain hydrogen and helium, the most basic elements in the universe. But the results revealed something far more surprising. Astronomers detected oxygen and other heavy elements inside this incredibly distant galaxy. These elements are not created instantly. They form deep inside stars and are released only when those stars explode as supernovae. For oxygen to exist in such amounts, several generations of stars must have already lived and died. This meant the galaxy had experienced rapid and complex star formation much earlier than expected. Instead of a primitive cloud of hydrogen, JADES JWST 14-0 showed the chemical signature of a surprisingly evolved system. But chemistry wasn't the only mystery. Its enormous size and brightness suggest it grew far faster than standard models of cosmic evolution predict. The discovery of JADES JWST 14-0 has created a serious challenge for modern cosmology. According to the widely accepted cold dark matter model, galaxies should grow slowly over time. In the early universe, small clumps of matter gradually merged together, forming larger and larger galaxies across billions of years. But this galaxy doesn't follow that rule. Appearing only a few hundred million years after the Big Bang, it is far too massive and bright for its age. Current models simply cannot explain how such a large structure could assemble so quickly. This mystery is part of what scientists now call the too many, too early problem. Observations from the James Webb Space Telescope are revealing more massive galaxies in the early universe than our theories predict. If these discoveries continue, it may mean our understanding of gravity, dark matter, or cosmic evolution needs a completely new framework. Astronomers are now searching for explanations for how JADES JWST 14-0 became so bright and massive so early in cosmic history. One possibility involves the presence of supermassive black hole seeds forming at the center of early galaxies. These powerful gravitational anchors could have pulled enormous amounts of gas and matter together much faster than scientists once believed possible, accelerating galaxy growth. Another theory suggests an intense period of bursty star formation. In this scenario, vast clouds of gas rapidly collapse, igniting billions or even trillions of stars within a relatively short time. These massive stars would burn brightly and die quickly in powerful supernova explosions, enriching the galaxy with heavy elements and producing the brilliant glow astronomers observe. Both explanations are still being studied, especially using data from the James Webb Space Telescope. Whatever the answer may be, discoveries like this are forcing astronomers to rethink how the discovery of jades, JWST 14-0, is forcing scientists to rethink the timeline of the early universe. For decades, astronomers believed the period known as cosmic dawn, when the first galaxies ignited, happened gradually hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang. But this galaxy suggests that large, complex structures may have appeared much earlier than expected. In other words, the universe may have started building galaxies almost immediately after its birth. To investigate this mystery further, astronomers are now using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope to conduct deeper surveys of the universe than ever before. These deep-field observations are searching for galaxies that may be even older, brighter, and more difficult to explain. If they are found, our understanding of cosmic history may need a complete rewrite. Because for the first time in human history, we are truly beginning to witness the universe's earliest moments. And if you want to explore more incredible mysteries of space, make sure to subscribe and join us on this journey through the cosmos.